we mentioned the other day, one of my pet peeves, that would be dropping your cell phone in the toilet. Delvin, you've ever done that?
Yeah, I dropped one in the toilet once.
No.
Yeah, I did.
Well,
I had it.
How does that happen?
I had it in a pocket, and it fell out.
A likely story.
And went splash.
Well,
it was about it's probably 4 or 5 cell phones ago.
Sure. Did you go to Facebook? Run to Facebook and say, hey world, I just dropped my cell phone in the toilet.
No, I didn't.
His phone was in the toilet.
My phone was in the toilet.
True.
So
yeah, well, you could get your laptop out. Don't drop your laptop in the toilet.
Pulled it out and seen what I could do to dry it out.
Yeah, well, see, my wife, she's one of the big wigs, kind of the higher ups there in the world of cell phone sales. And she says, somebody will walk in and say, hey, you'll never guess what I did with my cell phone. And she'll say, you dropped it in the toilet. They're like, oh, how did you know? And then what's even creepier, some of them will bring it in to see if it could be fixed. That's when you call the hazmat team. You get the tongs out, put on the yellow suits. If you drop your cell phone in the toilet, don't take it to the cell phone store. All right. Now that we got and don't go announce it on Facebook. We don't really need to know that. And here's my promise to you this election season. I will never, ever, ever drop a cell phone in the toilet because I don't take them in there with me.
Okay.
All right.